In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background music from a talking video in CapCut quickly and easily so your voice sounds cleaner and more professional. This is a super useful editing trick if you recorded a vlog, tutorial, interview, or any talking video and the background music is distracting from what you're saying. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use CapCut's noise reduction feature to make your audio much clearer. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and create a new project, or open an existing one if you already have your talking video imported. If you're starting from scratch, just tap New Project and choose the video you want to edit. Once you've selected it, import your talking video into CapCut and make sure it appears in your project timeline. Now drag the video clip onto the timeline if it isn't already there. This is where all your editing will happen, so make sure the clip is selected and ready to edit. Once the clip is on the timeline, tap on the video so the editing options appear. You want to make sure you're working on the correct clip, especially if your project has multiple layers or multiple media files. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap Audio. This will open the audio editing tools for the selected clip. Inside the audio settings, find the Reduce Noise option. This is the feature that helps cut down unwanted background sound and can make talking audio sound much cleaner and more focused. Tap Reduce Noise and CapCut will process the clip to reduce the distracting background music or unwanted noise in the recording. If your background music is still a little noticeable, you may want to preview the clip after applying the effect. Play it back from the timeline and listen carefully to see how much better the voice sounds. Depending on how strong the music is, you might need to adjust your editing style a little in the future by recording with less background sound, but for many videos, this CapCut tool does a really good job of improving clarity fast. You can also combine this with other simple edits, like trimming the clip, lowering any extra sound layers, or adding captions to make your video even easier to follow. The goal is to keep your voice front and center so your audience can focus on what you're saying without being distracted by music in the background. And that's it, that's how to remove background music from a talking video in CapCut using the Reduce Noise feature. It only takes a few taps, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your final video. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.